係 Grace， 歡迎收睇今日嘅澳洲社區快訊。我會為大家帶嚟最新、最貼地嘅澳洲社區資訊，同你一齊緊貼本地動態，掌握第一手消息。悉尼今年再度成為電動車焦點城市。Sydney International EV Motor Show 日前於 ICC Sydney 盛大舉行，超過100款電動與插電式混合車型集中亮相，為澳洲汽車市場帶嚟全新震撼。本屆車展唔只係靜態展示，參觀者可現場試駕，體驗最新充電技術，並現場見證多款全球首發車型。澳洲市場嘅電動車選擇正迅速增加，目前已經有96款型號在售，預計未來數年將再新增70款。展會同時反映一個更大嘅趨勢，去年電動車喺澳洲新車銷售中嘅佔比已經達大約 9.5%， 並有望喺未來2年突破 15%。多位業界代表指出，隨住價格下降、車型多元化及充電基礎設施改善，電動化係未來大趨勢。
I think, if the world was ready for fully electric today, then we will be fully electric today. But we will take a little bit of time to get there. So our strategy in the short term is to invest some of our heritage back into the mild hybrids. We're also investing a bit of money into our plug-in hybrids as well. But every new Volvo that you see being launched by us will be a fully electric car. So that will take our strategy to fully electric at some point. We're just working through the plans of how long that will be and what that looks like. But initially, mild and hybrid is where we sit with a complementary element of plug-in hybrid, and also, as I mentioned earlier, 50% of our cars will be fully electric next year.
So the Australian market is very new to EV. When I say very new, it's in comparison to China and Europe, we're still very early in the adoption stage, and we saw potential in that. And having Zeekr as a premium player entering the Australian market will be a first as well, simply because a lot of our, I won't say competitors, but a lot of the Chinese brands that have entered the market in Australia were all volume aspired. And for us coming as a premium brand will create a different proposition to the market who's looking to buy a premium car.
不論你係正在考慮換車，亦或係關注環保與科技生活，澳洲電動車市場嘅變化都值得關注。車展內亦都有金融專家、充電方案諮詢、家庭友善嘅展示區，讓新手亦都能安心上手。從跑車到 SUV， 從家庭用車到商務車，從高性能到經濟實用，今年嘅電動車展帶嚟嘅係選擇同未來。